Puppet here. For those who have seen our Smash Burger video, you know it a marvel of modern filmmaking. But sometimes takes go bad. Sometimes they go really bad. And sometimes they turn into the train wreck you are about to witness. Warning, what you are about to see can never be unseen. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Watch it.
So, trick is, smash that burger down and get it as flat as you can. See it go?
Oh, you do it right from the beginning.
Right from the beginning.
Wow.
You got to smash it right from the beginning.
Yeah,
and if
yeah.
it sticks a little bit,
Yep.
it'll come off. If it sticks a little bit,
Some technical difficulty here.
the magic of the kitchen.
Whoa, what's going on?
We're going to get it
That
off.
thing moving all over the place.
No.
Some smoke in here.
Look
Looked
at
like
that.
a poker game. What happening? What
Well,
happening?
You want
Whoa.
to...
Keep going.
You want to
Keep
get that
going.
burger smashed. So it's smashed in the pan, but this
Oh.
really got
You
smashed.
think maybe you're smashed. Keep going.
So,
Gotta
What?
finish.
I know. Oh, love it. Love it.
Now, keep going.
Okay, so you get it in the pan and
Yep.
it's smashed. Now, I know you're going to want to play with it. You're going to want to flip it. You're going to want to flip it back and forth, but don't. Let it brown in the pan. And Puppet, this one we had a little technical
Get a crust
difficulty
on?
with.
You think it's kind of too late for that guy. Dead on arrival. Keep going.
All right, so you know what?
What?
With the magic that we've got
Yep.
one already prepared. Pretend that we flipped
Thank
this
goodness
over
for that.
and you've added your cheese.
Yeah, yeah.
Pretend you've added your cheese, pretend you've seasoned it, all of that.
Yep.
So, we've got a bun here ready to prepare, but before you put it in that bun,
Yeah.
you're going to want to put both sides of the bun right here.
Oh, yeah.
Right
Kind of heart
here.
stopper.
Heart
In
stopper.
more ways than one.
Total heart stopper.
Yeah, yeah.
So, get those buns and get them really greased up.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah, yeah.
One out.
You digging it?
See, you're
Yeah,
digging
that's
it.
my line.
That's your line. Then look at, we put all of that cheese on there. Look at that.
Wow.
It's a little warm, so you may want some help on sliding it off into that burger patty with that.
Wow.
Look at
That's like
that.
6 inches of carnival.
That is carnival food.
Yeah, yeah.
And so, take the top of that lid,
Don't burn yourself. Whoa.
take the top of that, and slather it. Now I've made a horseradish mayo sauce
Yes, yes.
to put on top of
Yes,
that. You want to just slather it on there.
Yeah.
Maybe some mustard.
Oh, hey.
Get that out of the
You
way.
used this horseradish cheese today, too, right?
Oh, I did. I used horseradish cheese today.
Yeah.
Then put a little potato
Bumada.
on top. Swish it just like that. Look
Yeah.
how delicious that looks. Bob. I
Flatten
want
that
you to
bad
see
boy.
that. Flatten it up.
Yeah.
Look how delicious that looks.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I like to cut them in half because they are so just loaded with cheese.
Yes, very
Look at that.
interesting. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Doesn't that look delicious?
You want to spend some quality time with that thing.
I know it's making my mouth water, Puppet.
Yeah.
So, with that, there you have it. It's our diner. It's our version of the diner smashed burger.
Yeah.
Just as before, questions, comments, anything you want, down in our comment section.
Subscribe button, like button, leave some comments. We respond. We're nice people.
We respond, and so there you have it. It's our diner version, and we will see you next week.
Thank you all.